What's up, lovelies? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some southern style candied yams. So we're going to take some yams. These are not the large ones, so I'm doing about 6 of them. I'm going to rinse them off. Once I'm done cleaning and scrubbing them, I'm going to put them on some paper towel, let it dry. Get your cutter board with your knife. You're going to cut off both ends just to make it easier for slicing and get rid of that end piece. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start peeling. We're going to peel the skin off. You can use a paring knife or you can use a potato peeler. Just do the safest way possible. That's what I say. So I've peeled all the potatoes. Now I'm going to take the potatoes and slice them into a nice size, not too thick, not too thin. Then I'm going to put a little bit of water in the bottom of a pan. And then I am going to layer one layer of those sliced yams. Make sure you clean your potatoes thoroughly by scrubbing them, and do not put any more water than what you see in this video. Any more than that, you're gonna have sweet potato soup. Once you layer those sliced yams, you're going to add some white sugar. Then you're going to add a little bit of salt, just a little tinge. You're then going to add some brown sugar. If you want the specific measurements, I can put it in the description box for you guys. Then we're going to add some nutmeg. Sprinkle a little of that up in there. I promise y'all it's not a lot. Then I'm going to add some cinnamon. Once you do that first layer, then you're going to add the other half of those yams that you cut up. We're going to layer this. That way each and every yam gets that good sugary sweetness coating. So then we're going to add some more white sugar, some more brown sugar, some nutmeg, some cinnamon. We're going to add a tinge of some pure vanilla extract. And then we're going to light this pot up on a medium to low heat. That's it, y'all. I promise that's the perfect temperature. Then we're going to take the lid and we're going to crack it. We're going to cover the lid and put it cracked. Do not put it on all the way or you're going to get some sweet potato soup. So now we're going to let it boil for about 13 minutes and just let the sugar sweetness just cook the potatoes itself. We're not going to touch it. We're just going to leave it alone. After that time has passed, we are going to take the top layer and we're going to flip the yams because you want to make sure that the top layer gets cooked thoroughly. You're going to crack the lid again and cook it for another 10 to 12, about 13 minutes. Once that's done, we're going to take a stick of butter. This is unsalted, and we're just going to cut it up into some little cubes because we're going to add this to our yams for the finishing touches. You're going to take the yams off of the heat once they have cooked thoroughly and they are soft enough. And then you're just going to pour those cubes of butter right on top. And it's going to do its own thing and work its own magic, y'all. Once all that butter is in there, you're going to take the lid and you're going to cover it completely. This is the only time you're going to do that. And then you're going to get this scrumptious, dibbly-umptious looking Southern sweet style candy yams, y'all.